AR series, accelerometer data logger devices from ICP USA. In recent years, the concept of predictive maintenance is gaining increased attention in industries. Its purpose is to perform diagnosis and maintenance of the equipment when initial abnormality of the equipment is found, so that the failures will not be accumulated and further causing serious damage. ICP USA has developed a series of vibration measurement products which can perform measurement to meet different requirements for all kinds of on-site machines in different applications, and then provide result of fault diagnosis and data analysis. IWSN Vibration Sensor Series is suitable for sampling low-frequency rotating equipment. It features edge computing and self-powered wireless design, which makes it easy for use in production line system, while the Accelerometer Data Logger Module Series supports data acquisition of high sampling rate of vibration data. The AR series is a range of high-performance dynamic signal acquisition modules that are designed specifically for vibration monitoring and analysis. The maximum simultaneous sampling rate for each channel on the AR200 and AR400 is up to 200 kHz and 125 kHz, respectively. These modules include a built-in 3 mA excitation current to power the IEPE accelerometers and a 16-bit AD converter. The data required by the AR device is saved on a micro SD card that can be used for offline vibration analysis. ICP USA also provides a utility that can be installed on the host PC that can be easily configured for different triggering modes, as well as changing the sampling rate and scheduling the sampling time for various applications using the development tools. To learn more about the AR series, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.